Good morning students, good morning to all. Today same unit, 9th unit sequences and series. Already last class exercise 9.2 all sums are completed except 11th question number 11. Listen, question number 11 is the sum of the first p comma q and all terms of an AP are a comma b and c respectively. We need to prove that a by p of q minus r plus p by q or r minus p plus c by r of p minus q equal to 0. Right, listen, and given sum of the first pq terms, sum of the first pq and r terms of AP is abc. So the sum of first p term is a. P term is a, that is sp equal to a, sp equal to a, and the sum of same first q terms equal to b, that is sq equal to b, and the sum of first r term is c, that is sr equal to c, sr equal to c. Right, let us consider let's a1. Here a is also given information, sum of the first p terms answer, so different only. So a1, let us consider a1 be the first term and d be the common difference of given AP, that is arithmetic progression. AP, arithmetic progression. Right, A1 is first term and D is common difference. We know that, and sum of first n term formula. We know that sum of first n term formula is Sn equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. This is first n term formula, sum of first n term formula. Here given sum of first p terms is given, so sp is equal to a, so sum of first p term is written as sp is equal to p by 2 of 2a1 plus p minus 1 into d is equal to a. Simplify this, 2a1 plus p minus 1 into d equal to a into reciprocal of p by 2 is 2a by p. This is equation number 1. And second one, sq is b. Sq is written as sq is equal to q by 2 of 2a1 plus q minus 1 into d is equal to b. This is simplify this, 2a1 plus q minus 1 into d is equal to b into reciprocal of q by 2 is 2b by q. And next third one, sr is equal to r by 2 into 2a1 plus r minus 1 into d is equal to c. Simplify this, 2a1 plus r minus 1 into d is equal to c into reciprocal of r by 2 is 2c by r. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 2. And equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. Okay, right, listen. Equation 1 and 2, subtraction from equation 1. Equation number 2 is subtraction from equation number 1. So equation number 2 minus 1, which implies equation number 2 is 2a1, here 2a1 minus 2a1 cancel, and second term is q minus 1 into d minus p minus 1 into d equal to 2b by q minus 2a by p. Simplify this. D is common, so d of q minus 1 minus of minus p plus 1 equal to cross multiplication 2pb minus 2aq divided by pq, right? But d of plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so q minus p is equal to 2 of pb minus aq divided by pq. So d is equal to q minus 2 into pb minus aq divided by pq into, here multiple of q minus p, change from left hand to right hand side is reciprocal of q minus p, that is pq into q minus p. This is equation number 4. Right. Next, subtraction of equation number 2 and 3. First one 1 and 2, second one 2 and 3. That is 3 minus 2, which implies equation number 3. First element is 2a1. Here same 2a1, so 2a1 cancel. Remaining r minus 1 into d minus q minus 1 into d equal to right hand side is 2c by r minus 2b by q. Simplify this. D of r minus 1 minus q plus 1 is equal to 2cq minus 2br by qr. Right. D of plus 1 r minus 1 q plus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, so d of r minus q is equal to 2 into cq minus br divided by qr. Right. So d is equal to 2 into cq minus br divided by qr into r minus q. This is equation number 5. You see, equation number 4 and equation number 5 is same value d, and left hand side is same d. So equation 4 and 5 is equal. So right hand side value is from 4 and 5. Here right hand side value is 2 into pb minus aq by pq of q minus p is equal to 2 into cq minus br divided by qr into r minus q. Here 2 is common, so cancel, and q is common, so q is cancelled. Multiply this value, r squared of pb, so pb r squared into aq, that is minus aq r squared, and minus qr into pb is minus pqrb, minus qr into minus aq is plus aq squared r equal to pq into cq, pq squared c, pq into cq is pq squared c, and pq into minus br is minus pq minus pqrb, and pq into minus br is minus pqrb. Next minus p squared into cq is minus p squared qc, and minus p squared into minus br is plus p squared br, right? Here minus PQRB and minus BQRB, same value, so cancel these terms. Remaining PB R squared minus AQ R squared plus AQ squared R minus PQ squared C, PQ squared C plus P squared QC minus P squared BR equal to 0. So left hand side right hand side is change in left hand side is equal to 0. So plus PQ squared C is minus P squared C and minus P squared Q is plus P squared QC plus P squared BR is minus P squared BR equal to 0. Right? Right. PB R square. So same value. Any other same value? No. All are different. So divided by PQR on both sides. Divided by PQR on both sides. Right. Divided by PQR. Divided by PQR. PB R square divided by PQR. That is BR divided by Q. Divided by Q. Divided by PQR. So PB R square divided by PQR is R and P is cancelled. Remaining BR by Q. Minus AQ R square divided by PQR. That is AR divided by P. AR divided by P plus here AQ square R divided by PQ. So AQ divided by P divided by P minus PQ squared C. So CQ divided by R plus P squared QC. P squared QC. So P C that is CP divided by R. Divided by R minus P squared BR divided by PQR is BP divided by Q equal to 0. Equal to 0. We have need to prove A by P of Q minus R. A by P of Q minus R. Here this term is A by P and another one term is this is A by P. So A by P of here first positive term Q and here minus R. So Q minus R. Q minus R. So these two terms is written as A by P of Q minus R. Next we have to prove P by Q or R minus P. And P by Q. Which term P by Q? This term. This is P by Q R and another one is this is P by Q. So P by Q, take P by Q plus P by Q in both terms. Remaining R minus P. R minus P. Okay. Right. Next CQ by R and CP by R. These two terms both are same. Q by R. C by R. So C by R. Take C by R from these two terms. Now C by R of P minus Q. P minus Q is equal to 0. This is proof. We have to disprove. So hence proved. Okay, right. Exercise 9.2 is completed. Next exercise 9.3. Okay, next exercise number 9.3. Geometric progression. Already we all studied in last class 10th standard arithmetic progression, but not studying geometric progression. Geometric progression is new topic. So geometric progression is called GP. Geometric progression is called GP. Right. General term of geometric progression, that is geometric sequence. A comma, AR comma, AR squared, AR cube, and so on, etc. AR power n minus 1 and so on, etc. This is a geometric sequence. This is a geometric sequence. It's called A comma, AR squared, comma, AR cube, and so on, etc. AR power n minus 1 and so on, etc. is geometric sequence. This is infinite geometric sequence. This is infinite geometric sequence. Last and etc. Okay. Right. Next. And A comma, AR square and so on etc. A r power n minus, this last term is a r power n minus n. This is finite geometric sequence. This is finite geometric progression or geometric sequence, right? Let us say infinite geometric sequence. Here A is a first term. A is first term of GP, and R is common ratio. Here the arithmetic progression, D is common difference. Here R is the common ratio. That is R equal to T k plus 1 minus T k, term k plus 1 minus term k. Here k is greater than or equal to 1 and k is greater than or equal to 1. K is greater than or equal to 1. This is R. That is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. And arithmetic progression, you say last class, arithmetic progression D, that is common difference, is T2 minus T1, second term minus first term. Here common ratio is Tk plus 1 by Tk, and k is greater than or equal to 1. Ratio, common ratio. So Tk plus 1 divided by Tk, that is R equal to A or common ratio is equal to common ratio is equal to, here second term is AR divided by first term is A, so AR divided by A is equal to R. AR divided by A is equal to R, so A cancel remaining R. Okay, right. Next, common ratio is R. A is first term and R is common ratio, and A r power n minus 1, this is nth term of a given geometric sequence. Nth term, that is Tn, is equal to A r power n minus 1. A r power n minus 1. Suppose we have a finite sequence. Geometric sequence. This term is L, that is last term. That is last term of the given sequence. Nth term is A r power n minus 1, and also same last term is same, L is equal to A r power n minus 1. Okay, right. Next, and the nth term is A r power n minus 1. Nth term is A r power n minus 1. Sum to terms of GP. Sum to n terms of GP. Sum to n terms of GP. For example, a geometric progression example is any one example. 1, 2, 4, 8 and so on etc. First element is A is 1 and R is 2 by 1, that is 2. That is 2. This is A is 1, this is AR means 1 into 2, this is AR square, that is 1 into R square is 2 square, and this is AR cube, that is 1 into 2 cube, that is 8. This is one of example of geometric progression. Okay, right. Sum to n terms of GP, geometric progression. Let's consider a finite sequence, and finite sequence is A comma AR squared, comma AR cube, and so on etc. AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1. Okay. Right. Let's take the sequence, geometric sequence. Sum to n terms of GP. So sum of this value. So place AR plus AR squared plus AR cube plus and so on etc. plus AR power n minus 1. This is sum to n terms of GP. That is called Sn. Sn. Right. Case 1. If R equal to 1. If r equal to 1, then which implies Sn equal to, substitute this r equal to 1 in equation number 1. Equation number 1. So a plus ar, here r is equal to 1. So a into 1 is a plus a ask same a plus and so on etc. plus a of n times of a, that is Sn equal to Na. Sn equal to Na. Sum to n terms of geometric progression is, if r equal to 1, then the sum of the n terms of the geometric progression is Na. And second case 2, if r is not equal to 1, if r is not equal to 1, Sn equal to n equal to a of 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, or Sn is equal to a of r power n minus 1 divided by 1 minus r. This is a geometric progression as the sum of n terms of geometric progression when r is not equal to 1. Very, very important formula. If r equal to 1, the sum of n terms of GP is Na, and r is not equal to 1, the sum of n terms is Sn is equal to a of 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, or Sn equal to a of r power n minus 1 divided by 1 minus r. Okay, right. Okay, listen. Geometric progression, important formula. First one, just one time recall again. A is first term. The general term is a comma ar square and so on etc. ar power n minus 1 and so on. This is geometric progression. Okay, and first term a is first term, r is common ratio, and nth term of the sequence Tn is equal to ar power n minus 1. This is one important formula. And last term of the sequence, finite sequence, is ar power n minus 1, ar power n minus 1. And second one formula, sum of n terms is equal to Na when r equal to 1, and second one, Sn is equal to a of r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, or a of 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r when r is not equal to 1. R is not equal to 1. This is very, very important formula. Right. See, exercise number 9.3. Very simple questions using these formulas. First question, find the 20th and nth term of GP. Find the 20th and nth term of GP. 20th term and nth term of GP is 5 by 2. First question. Find 20th and nth term of GP is 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. This is given geometric progression. Find 20th and nth term. Find 20th and nth term. Right. You know, a general term is a comma ar square and so on etc. ar power n minus 1. Okay. The nth term is ar power n minus 1. Here, first term is 5 by 2, second term 5 by 4, third term 5 by 8. So, a equal to 5 by 2. A equal to 5 by 2. This is first element, first term of given geometric progression. And r is common difference. Common difference is term 2 divided by term 1 or term 3 divided by term 2. So, term 2 divided by term 1, that is 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. So, r is equal 5 cancel. So, 4 2, that is 1 by 2. R equal to 1 by 2. So, the common ratio is 1 by 2. First element is 5 by 2. Okay, right. We have need 20th term and nth term. 20th term and nth term. Okay, right. We know that the nth term formula Tn nth term is Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1, this formula. This is nth term of given geometric progression. So nth term of the geometric progression Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1, and a is equal to 5 by 2. So Tn is equal to 5 by 2 into r is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 power n minus 1. So here n is so unknown, so n minus 1. 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1. So 5 by 2 into 5 into here 1 by 2 power 1 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1. 1 by 2 power 1 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1. That is 1 by 2 power n minus 1 plus 1. That is called 1 by 2 power n. 1 by 2 power n. Here 5, 2 power 1. That is 1 by 2 power 1. And 1 by 2 power n minus 1. 1 by 2 power 1 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1 plus 1. So 1 by 2 power n. This is nth term. Nth term of given sequence. Okay. Next 20th term. Next we have need 20th term. This is first question. And second one 20th term. 20th term is T20. T20. So T20 is written as a r power 20 minus 1, that is 19. 20 minus 1, that is 19. So a is 5 by 2 and r power 19. R power 19. R substitute. We know T nth term, so 5 into 1 by 2 power n. So 20th term is equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1, n equal to 20. N equal to 20. So T20 equal to 5 into 1 by 2 power n is equal to 20. So 1 by 2 power 20. This is 20th term. Simplify this. 5 into 5 by 2 power 20. 5 by 2 power 20. This is 20th term of given sequence. Given geometric sequence. Okay. Right. Next second question. Question number 2. Find the 12th term of GP. Find the 12th term of GP whose 8th term is 192. And given information, find the 12th term of GP, that is T12. We have need the answer T12, that is 12th term of GP. And given 8th term is, that is T8 is 192. 192. And common difference is, common ratio is 2. Common ratio is 2. Common ratio means R is 2. R is 2. And given information, 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2. We have need find 12th term of the given geometric sequence. Right. We know that T8 is written as, that is Tn. Tn is, we know that Tn is a r power n minus 1. We know that. Okay. Right. Here T8 is written as T8 equal to 192 is written as T8 is a r power 8 minus 1, that is 7. A r power 8 minus 1, that is 7 equal to 192. 192. Right. We know the answer R value. So substitute this R value. So A into 2 power 7 equal to 192. 2 power 7 is equal to 192. Right. So A is equal to 192 divided by 2 power 7. 2 power 7. So 2 power 7 value. 2 power 6 is 64. So 2 power 7 is 128. 128. So 192 divided by 128. So A is equal to 192 divided by 128. Cancel these terms. 8. 1 8 are 8, 2 8 are 16. 2 8 are 16, remaining 3, 32. 32, 4 8 are 32, divided by 1 8 are 8, remaining 4, 48, 6 8 are 48. So 24 by 16. 24 by 16 simplify again simplify, and a is equal to 3 8s are 24 and 2 8s are 16. So the value of a first term is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So r equal to 2 and a equal to 3 by 2. We know that t in formula a r power n minus 1. We have need 12th term of given geometric sequence. So t12 is equal to a r power n minus 1, that is 11. 12 minus 1, 11. Here a is 3 by 2 into r power 11, that is r is 2, so 2 power 11. 2 power 11 is equal to 3 into 2 power divided by 2 is cancelled, remaining 2 power 10. 2 power 10. So t12, that is 12th term is equal to 3 into 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is 1024. 2 power 10 is equal to 1024. Okay. Right. 3 into 1024, 3 4 are 12, 1 3 6 plus 1 7 0 3. 3072. Therefore, the 12th term of GP is 3072. 3072. Very, very simple sum. Next, third question. The 5th, 8th and 11th term is 5th, 8th and 11th term is given. The 5th term is equal to P, this T5 is equal to P, and 8th term T8 is equal to Q. 11th term of GP, that is T11 is equal to S. Then show that Q squared equal to PS. Show that Q squared equal to PS. We have to show that Q squared is equal to PS. We need to show this. Okay. Given 5th term is P, is written as, so nth term formula a r power n minus 1. So here 5th term is a r power 4, it is 5 minus 1 equal to P, is equation number 1. And T8 is written as a r power 7, that is 8 minus 1 equal to Q, equation number 2. And T11 equal to S, this is equation number a r power 11 minus 1 10 is equal to S, equation number 3. We need to prove Q squared equal to PS. Q squared equal to PS. Right. Equation 1 divided by 2. Equation 1 divided by 2, which implies a r power 4, sorry, equation 2 divided by 1. A r power 7 divided by a r power 4 equal to Q by P. Q by P. Simplify this, a cancelled, r power 7 divided by r power 4 is r power 3 equal to Q by P. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4. Next, from equation number 3 and 2, 3 divided by 4. Sorry, 3 divided by 2. Equation 3 is divided by equation number 2. So a r power 10 divided by a r power 7 equal to S divided by Q. S divided by Q. A cancel, r power 10 divided by r power 7 is r power 3 equal to S by Q. This is equation number 5. From 4 and 5 are same. Here r cube value and same this r cube value. So Q by P is equal to S by Q. So which implies Q squared is equal to PS. And shown. Okay, right. Next, fourth question. Fourth term of GP is, square of its second term. Given 4th term of GP is square of its second term, that is T4 is equal to term 4. T4 is represented as term 4 is equal to square of its second term, that is T2 whole square. T2 whole square. And the first term is minus 3. And second one information. The first information And second one information is first term is minus 3, that is first term is a is minus 3, minus 3. Determine its seventh term and find seventh term, then T7, find T7 value. Okay, right. Given T4 equal T2 whole square. Solution. T4 is written as a r power 4 minus 1 3 is equal to T2 is written as a r the whole square. So a r power 3 equal to a squared r squared. Okay, simplify this. A squared r cube r square cancel. So r equal to a. R equal to a. We know that a answer a equal to minus 3, which implies therefore r equal to minus 3. R equal to minus 3. Right. So we need seventh term of GP, that is T7 equal to a r power 7 minus 1 6. A is minus 3 and r is minus 3 power 6. Minus 3 power 6. Minus 3 power 1 into minus 3 power 6 is minus 3 power 7. Minus 3 power 7. So minus 3 power 7 is equal to 3 power 4 is 81. 3 power 4 is 81. And 3 power 7. And 3 power 3 is 27. And 3 power 7 is equal to 3 power 4 into 3 power 3. So 81 into 27. So 81 into 27. So 7, 56, 216. So 7, 8, 6 plus 5, 11, 2, 2187. 2187. Therefore, minus 2187. So, seventh term of given GP is minus 2187. Okay. Right. Next, fifth question. Which term of the following sequence? Which term of the following sequence is question number 1. Which term of following sequences? Question number A. 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 and so on etc. is 128. That is question is which term of? The answer is 128. Answer is 128. Let's Tn is equal to 128. Nth term is 128. Then find the value of n. Find the value of n. Tn is written as a r power n minus 1. A r power n minus 1 is equal to 128. This is equation number 1. And given information 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 and so on etc. is given geometric progression. So first term is a is equal to 2. First term a equal to 2. And common ratio is T2 by T1. So 2 root 2 divided by 2, that is r equal to root 2. R equal to root 2. Okay. Right. Substitute a and r value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies a is 2, so 2 into r is root 2, so root 2 power n minus 1, root 2 power n minus 1 equal to 128. 128. Right. 2 power 1, 2 is written as 2 power 1, root 2 power n minus 1 is written as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. 2 power 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. And 128, you know 128 is 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 7, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64 and 2 power 7 128. Okay, right. Here 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1, that is 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 2 into n minus 1, that is n minus 1 divided by 2. N minus 1 divided by 2 equal to 2 power 7. And 2 power 1 into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 is 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 2 power 7. 2 power 7. So 2 power n minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So 2 power n plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 power 7. 2 power 7. Okay. Right. Here base is equal, then power is also equal. So n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7. N plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7. And n plus 1 is equal to 7 2s are 14. And n is equal to 14 minus 1. So n equal to 13. So therefore, the value of 128 is 13th term. But 13th 128 is 13th term of GP, given GP. All that's all. Okay, right. Okay, students. Remaining questions. See you next class. Okay, bye.